Smartfm presents Smart Up Your Life. Smart Up Your Life, an on-air and interactive English learning program.
101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, basis and inspiration. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome back to our English learning program. Smart Up Your Life with me, Rifa Majid, as your host, and also my several friends from BPEC Makassar as my partner for tonight. Hi, guys. Welcome
Hello.
back.
Halo Kak.
Okay, so tonight we have Miss Dewi here. Hi.
Hi.
So happy to see you again with your colorful
And
style.
brightness outfit, yeah?
Yes,
As
brightness
usual.
outfit in every single you're present
Yeah.
in this program. And also we have the Mr. President of BPEC Makassar, Mr. Ajang. Welcome.
Halo Kak.
So how are you?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
And is it a great day for you?
Is it a great day?
Great day. Okay, so for you smart listener, I wish and I hope you can join our conversation for tonight, so you can join our conversation through WhatsApp and also through our live streaming on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Just write down your comment on our comment section. Well, as usual, in this program, we are truly willing to have a good conversation, not only with the friends from BPEC Makassar, but also with you, smart listener, to share your experience about the topic that we will share you soon, yeah? And also, smart listener, because this is the collaboration program between BPEC and also Smart FM Makassar. Well, we will, introduce you first. What BPEC is, and then I give the stage to the Mr. President.
Okay. So hello smart listener. Maybe I will introduce in BPEC. So guys, actually BPEC or Benteng Penyu English Club Makassar is the oldest community in Makassar, especially learn about English. So now, actually we moved to Benteng. We moved to learn in Benteng Rotterdam. To actually we don't conduct in Sacred BPEC, but we moved to in multimedia in front of Muhammad University of Makassar because we have a certain reason. So
Multimedia library.
Multimedia library in front of Muhammad University of Makassar. So actually what you can make as a participant, and what is benefit if you joining in Sunday weekly meeting. First, you can improve your speaking because we have debate section, small discussion. Even you can improve your grammar, pronunciation, and etc. because we have a building skill. That's why, guys, I'm with you in every Sunday in multimedia library in Aladdin Street. I think that's all. Okay.
That's the invitation given to you, sport listener, and we are so happy if you can join their weekly meeting to improve your English skill, especially in speaking skill, because such as explained before that BPEC Makassar has their own rule to make a debate and also small discussion. And totally using using English.
Yeah, of course.
Yes. Well, and also this program is to we provide you to improve your English skill in this program. So if you don't know how to spell the word in English, or you want to join our conversation but you are hesitate to pronounce the English word, do not hesitate, smart listener. Just say it in Bahasa, and because sometimes we mix both language. Well, for tonight, our topic is about the memory. Ooh. I thought everybody has their own memory, and also the moment that cannot be forgot in life. So Tonight we are going to talk about unforgettable moments in life. So, how long have you been in this world, Miss Dewi? You live in this world as a person.
I'm already 33 years old, so
Okay.
I'm not gonna deny it.
Yes.
Even if I'm look younger than my age.
30 something, and that's a long time to have a memory and the moment
Yeah,
in
sure.
life.
Sure.
Yes.
I have a lot of moment that I cannot count.
Yes. That's how to say uncountable things.
Uncountable
So,
things.
what about you, Mr. Achang?
Okay, so I think as I'm with Kak Dewi, I have a lot of moment. Okay, can I share?
Okay. But before we are
Uh-huh.
talking about the moment, especially that you will share the story about it, I want to know your perspective about the memory itself. What's the memory in your point of view? How do you see the memory itself, Miss Devi first?
Memories is like a song, yeah.
Mm-mm.
I mean, we cannot forget it, whether it is a bad or a good or a great things that happen into your life. So every single memories must be a very meaningful, meaningful things that you cannot deny that one day it will be a moment to remember.
Yes,
So that's it.
because of the memory.
Yeah, because of the memory.
Okay. From you, Mr. Achang?
Okay, so actually for me, memory is if you have a more experience, and actually yeah, I think same with Kak Dewi. Yeah, you don't forget even if this is bad or good. Of course, it is hard if you forgot this, because you can learn about your memory, your experience. That is why memory is it is important for me. I think so.
Okay, so we cannot remember anything if we don't have a memory in our head, yeah, in our heart also. And because of the memory itself, I ever heard the quote said, "We don't remember the days, but we remember a moment."
Okay.
So, there's always a moment to remember, like what you said before, in every single day, I think. And what's happening today is gonna be history for the
Yes.
next year or for tomorrow, right? And so that we have to make a good memory every day, right? So I want to know, guys, what's the good memory or a good moment that happened in your life? It's been how to say, the lesson that you learn from your how to say, from your life. Who wants to share first?
Okay, me
About the
first,
moment.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
As a mother and as a woman, the best thing that ever happened to me that is I was giving a birth to my two kids already, and it was also I did it normal, and I
Gentle
felt
birth?
yeah, and it was so, how to say, like, there are no any moments, wonderful moments that is beautiful than that moment. And the second memories, it was the day my husband proposed me when I mean on my birthday proposed me. So we proposed and we engaged on that day.
Oh, it's
And
so
then
sweet.
Yes, of course.
The moment that related to
The moment before social media was exist. Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah,
you
so
don't have
that
to
was-
post any to make
Yeah,
any post.
I have the documents, so, but I think I mean not all of the wonderful moment should be published.
Okay, to the people, right? So
Yes.
two moments that
Two
very
moments.
memorable in your life. The first one when your husband, your ex, how to say,
Boyfriend.
and now as your husband proposed you to be his wife.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm curious to know how the story, the detailed story. And the second one is when you are giving a birth of your two kids. Oh my God, that's such a miracle.
Yeah, because before I got married, I was not. I used to a girl that wasn't so interested to the kids, to the
Yes.
children, no matter how cute they are.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I like the kids. I like the babies. Yeah, only to see. But I was scared to touch them because I feel like maybe she or he didn't enjoy at me or didn't interest. I touch him. Yeah, so that's why when I gave a birth to my two daughters, two adorable daughters, I feel amazing and I feel I'm a perfect woman. Yeah, because now in my 12 marriage years, I mean all the things that I was like contradictive in my when I was single, then now I can do it.
And that's automatically change your life.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's
Well,
changed my life.
Okay, we want to know the detail of the story and also about the moments of Mr. Achan's life after this. So don't go anywhere. We will be right back.
Okay.